Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this newly arrived 2025 255 Yamaha X. Really cool graphics on here, nice new color. I like how they did the split graphics on the side of the boat. Looks really sharp. It's a pretty blue hull, gray deck top, sitting on the nice trailer. Dual axle, nice wheels, really sharp looking boat on the outside. Take you on in, look at the rest. This is the Surf Edition 255X, so this does have the supercharged twin motor, so a lot of horsepower on this. Great back seat area, really comfortable lounging seats. Stereo control back here, you can put a table back here, so a lot of fun when you're just hanging out in the back of the boat at the cove or anchored out, and we're gonna go up and show you the rest. Okay, we're in the boat here. In the bow of the boat, you got a lot of storage under the seats, nice snap-in sea decking, anchor and ladder off the front there. So nice if you pull it up to the beach to hop off the front of the boat. We got the big windshield to close the air off, and then you can close this off for a cool day or evening ride. Coming around here, it's got a pretty high-tech helm. Because this is got the drive control, you got the forward and reverse here on the steering wheel, makes it super easy for handling. Got the huge 12-inch Connect screen, phone charger, rotary control right here, dual throttles, really cool captain's chair, very comfortable sporty seat. Lots of storage in this boat on the co-captain side, in-floor storage, comfortable seat. This has the high-end stereo system, so you got the subwoofer, tower speakers, great sound for when you're out here on the lake. Big wraparound seating, storage under all the seats, cool little pop-up shelf area here to work off of, wakeboard folding clamp racks, and a really cool feature, if you want to get some sun in here, you can zip this bimini out and drop it down and make a little sunroof, so pretty cool. So come on out and check out this 2025 Yamaha 255X. It's going to be on our website. It'll be here at the store, obviously, and then you can call us at 864-236-9005.